Okay, Chris here, and let me start this video with a humble brag because I got the highest ClickBank gravity score ever recorded when I sold my Day Job Killer digital product back in 2007, but in the process I realized that ClickBank gravity doesn't matter as much as you think it does. Now, 2007 is obviously a very long time ago, and yes, I'm still making commissions in 2021 with ClickBank, and I'll explain exactly how I'm doing that once I've explained exactly what ClickBank gravity is, along with why you probably shouldn't use it as a main metric when deciding what to promote as an affiliate. Now, before we get started, and to show my appreciation for you watching this video, I'm going to give you a free ClickBank tool in the YouTube description called CB250, which lets you see all of the ClickBank top offers arranged by gravity by default, along with Alexa rank and other metrics which I'll come on to in a second. And also in the description, you'll find a link to my blog post entitled How to Make Money as an Affiliate on ClickBank, JVZoo and Warrior Plus, which is a highly detailed guide along with 7 free software tools, which you'll also find within that blog post. Okay, so once you've opened those description links, let's get into exactly what ClickBank gravity is and how I was able to hit a 900 ClickBank gravity with that 170k day. So firstly, what is ClickBank gravity? Well, gravity is simply a representation of recent affiliate sales. And ClickBank actually define this topic themselves with a video and blog post, which I'll link to in the description. But to sum it up, if you're a ClickBank vendor and you have one ClickBank affiliate who makes a sale for you today, then tomorrow your product gravity would be 1. If you have 2 affiliates who make a sale today, then your gravity tomorrow will be 2, and so on and so forth. And in actual fact, with my 170k day, sure enough, I counted 900 affiliates who had made at least one sale, and as expected, the following day, when ClickBank updated their gravity stats, on Wednesday morning, I had a gravity of 900. However, my gravity then started to drop and decay each and every day. And that's because I didn't have 900 affiliates who were promoting me on Wednesday or Thursday, and so the gravity continues to drop off. Now, in my case, I was doing a product launches whereby lots of affiliates promote me on day 1, fewer affiliates promote me on day 2, and so on and so forth until I close the offer down on day 7. And by the way, if you want to learn how to launch your own digital products, then be sure to check out my Remixable software package, which you can get for a $1 trial in the description. And Remixable automates my entire digital product business. So you can basically launch your own unique software by white labeling my proven software products. Now, ClickBank doesn't release the secret sauce to how they actually decay the gravity over time, but within a few weeks, my gravity was down to less than 100. Now, like I say, this is just a product launch, and most offers on ClickBank are not product launches. In fact, most offers on ClickBank have steady traffic, visitors, and sales because affiliates are consistently promoting them, which means that gravity is a fairly reliable metric of how many affiliates are consistently making sales with a particular offer on ClickBank. But it's not the main metric to look at, in my opinion. For example, if an affiliate makes one sale, then that product has a gravity of 1. But if the same affiliate makes 100,000 sales, then the product still has a gravity of 1 because that affiliate is still the only affiliate that's promoting it. And that point is relevant because a lot of these really big offers, especially in the health and fitness niche, have a handful of monster affiliates who are promoting the offer on media, Facebook ads, etc. So for that reason, you're better looking at popularity, which is also known as rank, rather than gravity. In fact, if you head over to the ClickBank marketplace, you'll get the first heads up direct from ClickBank themselves that gravity isn't everything, because ClickBank now arrange products by popularity, also known as rank, rather than gravity. And I would say that rank is probably more closely correlated with sales and commissions than gravity is. So where does all this leave us? Do we just rely on gravity or sales rank when choosing affiliate programs to promote on ClickBank, or are there other metrics that we can look at? Well, yes, there are. Firstly, I suggest you check out the affiliate page for all of the offers that you're considering promoting. And if you head over to my CB250 tool, which again you can find in the description, then you can just go through to each affiliate page link. And very often the vendors will actually tell you what kind of sales they're doing at the moment and what kind of traffic is working for them and their affiliates. Secondly, you want to check out the traffic that a particular site is getting. For example, a domain name that's getting over 100,000 uniques a month is likely to be making a lot of sales. Otherwise, why is all that traffic going to the site? And to find out what type of traffic a site is getting, I suggest looking at either Alexa or SimilarWeb. Now, SimilarWeb is a website that will tell you what type of traffic a domain is receiving, and in the description you'll see a link to SimilarWeb for a health and fitness offer with one of the highest ClickBank gravities at the moment. And if you hit that link in the description, you can see how this particular ClickBank vendor is getting over 800,000 unique visitors a month and exactly where that traffic is coming from. Thirdly, you can also head over to ClickBank and simply browse the marketplace, which is arranged by popularity, or rank as it's known, by default. And it's always worth going to the ClickBank marketplace and just having a browse around for ideas. And then finally, you should still continue to use gravity as one of the metrics that you look at, which you can do with my CB250 tool. Again, this is a free tool I'm just giving you right here, right now in the description, along with all of the other freebies, the affiliate guide and everything else that I'm giving you here. Okay, so thanks for watching. That covers it for my breakdown of what ClickBank Gravity is and how you can use it to increase your commissions. If you'd like to know how to launch your own digital product on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JBZ or anywhere else, then hit the link in the description to access Remixable. After all, it was selling my own software product and not being an affiliate, which allowed me to hit a gravity of 900 on ClickBank. And Remixable now automates the entire process of launching your own software business. So be sure to hit that link along with all the others in the description. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this was useful, and I look forward to seeing you guys making use of the description links. Cheers.